Hey, this is MKW Pros 124 with another Lego gumball machine with the quarter. So first you take your big gumball, and I gotta put it up there. Make sure it's in the right spot. And then take your quarter and drop it in. And there goes your gumball. And now, I'm going to show you how to get out the quarter. Alright, so here's the money slot. And the quarter drops in. And you get it out right here. See, it's in there. Let me get it out. There it is. See, it's not in there anymore. And it's right there. So, thanks for watching this video. Rate, comment, subscribe, and post your video response. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.